They want a performer? I'm the answer to their prayers! One pop star coming right up! Okay, let's do this thing! Hi there! Nice to meet ya! Got any earplugs? Huh? What's wrong?
That hair, that skin.
I guess my look could use a little, upgrade? Oops. Well,
No!
okay, that's fine! How humiliating! They didn't even let me finish my song! Hey, what's this? Level up your skills? Boost my abilities? But how?
This is how. Welcome to my world.
Oh, wow! It's incredible! Look at all this amazing stuff! It's just… wow! Is this leather?
No touchy, okay?
Wait, is that my level? That can't be good.
Yep, you'll need 300 for this.
300? Let me see here. Is close at least?
Oh no, honey. But you can get these boots.
Score! Things are looking up! Or are they? Yikes. Oops.
Those are pretty bad.
Wow! Mwah! Time to make the switch! That's more like it. It's been fun, guys. Smell you later.
Do a spin for me.
Oh yeah, it's giving fabulous! Ugh, but this sure isn't.
I agree. Let me help you with that.
Seriously?
Follow me. We've got places to be.
Yeah, we do!
Wow, nice. Here you go. Have a good time, girl.
See ya! I think this is it. Nice kitchen! So clean! What? Noodles? Ah, that's the stuff. Lunchtime is upon us. Huh? 60 seconds? Piece of cake. Or in this case, noodles. Huh? Aren't you the cutest? What you got there? You gonna eat all that, boy? I don't know about this. Oh man! Think! Well, desperate times call for desperate measures. Pretty good, huh? Uh-oh. So spicy! Ah! Help! That was intense! Worth it! You did good too. Bye! Yep, I nailed it! And my prize? Oh, hold on! Thanks for the warning! Oh, well. Anyway, looking for this? Hello, fabulous! No pictures, please! Oh, yikes. This hair is not it.
There, all fixed. Whew.
Oh.
No, unless you have this much. You feel me?
Okay! What's one more challenge? Let's go, people! See ya! Sure is taking long. Finally! Very interesting. Ugh! When do I… oh. Say less, scary weird guys! La, 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 la. You like that? I know that's right! Well? Uh-oh. That can't be good. No! Wait a sec. I still have 10 seconds. I must have something. Oh. What about my phone? Any help here, people? Please, you've gotta help me. Yeah, we got you. Yeah? Okay. Bye then? Weird.
Hey! We won't let you battle alone.
How sweet! Hey, bring it in, girls! Uh-oh! We're losing time! What do we… Stop! Come on, let's go! No! What are you doing? Oh, yeah! Get him! I can't believe it! You're doing it! You're the best! Look! Just in time! We did it! We did it! We're up 500, baby! Yes! Way to go! See ya!
Oh, you're back.
You won't believe what I did! I took those demons out, they were ruined! Oh yeah!
Whatever you gotta do, let's see for ourselves. Who are they?
I had a little help, but I got my points. Fair, right?
Cool story, sis. But we have work to do. You want new hair, right? There.
I'm bold!
Chill. Trust the process. See?
Wow, that's impressive.
I know. But what about these little monsters? Ready to pop. Oh, no. I hate pimples.
Now what?
Meet your new best friend. Feel me?
I sure do.
You can do it.
Don't use it. Let's get 700 points, y'all. Weird vibes in here. 200? Don't mind if I do. Don't press. Oh. Wait, I have nowhere to go. What do I do? I gotta get out of here. Elevator doors? Time to step up to the plate. Starting with this handy thing. Just need a good grip. Alrighty, now we're talking. Yes, let's swing! Woohoo! That wasn't so bad. On to the next, I guess. Guess what?
I kinda nailed it.
Can I have my makeup now?
Take a seat. This isn't going to be easy. Bring on the face wash. I mean, like the whole can. Yep, let's clean that face. Wait for it. No more acne here.
That's incredible!
Skincare's easy. And the hair? Gone. Deep breath. And…
Ah! Wow, so smooth!
The perfect blank canvas. Good brushes help too. The new you is nearly here. I hope you're ready. Red, luscious lips. And a little sparkle. They go a long way.
Wow! I feel fab! Na-na-na-na-na.
Yep.
Oh no. No mic.
Oh, that's no problem. 900 points and it's all yours.
Oh, of course. Okay, hold on. Ready?
I'm not. A girl's gotta eat.
What? Down here? You want me to use the vent? Alrighty. There'd better not be bugs down here. Ugh, so dark. What's that smell? Ah! Jeez! You've gotta be kidding me! What is this anyway? Wait, who are you? Are you stuck? Ugh, I'll get you out of here. Nothing like smooth, slippery soap to get you out of a jam. You'll be out in no time. Ready? Ugh, come on! Are you wiggling? Come on! Ooh. Ew, I can't believe it. I'm finally free. You saved me! It was nothing. Wait, I have to repay you. I have this. Take it. Really? For me? Scratch me? Alrighty. Scratch I will. What does it say? Wait! Well… It says I get to go up a level! 900 to be exact! See? This is awesome! It was a pleasure doing business with you. Likewise. Have a nice life. Hey, I think this is it. Oh boy. Whew, what a trip. Hey, I'm back! Hello?
I was just,
Sorry to interrupt, but look!
900?
Wow, nice work!
It's all yours.
Wow!
Hit those notes, girl! Yeah, sing it!
Whoa! Are you seeing that sword? I need to have it!
I don't think so.
Okay, so what?
Must I explain everything?
Okay, to the elevator, again! Where to? Let's do this thing! Well? Oh, I'm here! Hey, this place is neat! Love the colors, too! Look, it's a game! When will it start? Oh boy, I'm getting nervous. Just stay focused. My main enemy? That's easy. Demons, obviously. Yay! My favorite food. It's gotta be noodles. Yep. Uh-oh. Anything but math. I guess I'll go with green. Come on, please, please, please. Yes, I actually did it! Your girl is a genius. That's right. I won. Bye. Ahem. What you doing? 'Cause I've been busy.
You sure have. Whoa! You earned yourself a sword.
Booyah!
I'm so proud of you. They grow up so fast.
There's only one thing left to do.
Look at what you've done, boy, while you were on the run. You said I was the only one. Look at what you've done, now you're hiding from the sun. I'm fed up with your lies.
Huh? What up? That's enough singing! What? Ah! I'm done for! I can't wait to go in! Hey! I have the invitation!
Let me stop you right there. Gotta check what the scanner says.
Is this really necessary?
0%! No way you're going in! Imposter!
Does she need saving? I strongly think so.
Whoa, my head. Huh? It's you!
Yep, but don't get too excited. We have lots to do. Your turn, Z. So here's the plan. We're gonna make you our roomie. We will start with your face, teeth, pimples, cheeks.
Oh.
Phew, that's a lot of work, really. And then…
Aha!
Ta-da! So, let's begin. I trust your plan, girl.
Should I be afraid?
Yeah.
Take this.
Got it.
Trust me, this is my favorite flavor. Now get those chin muscles working.
Blech. Yikes.
Okay, hold steady.
Z, a little help?
Ready and steady.
Let's do it.
Ouch. Look, it worked. Whoa. Okay, girl. Moving on. So, what's next? Well, teeth checked. Next, pimples.
Ugh, the worst.
I'm ready.
I'm not. I know just what you need. How is this going to help? Ha! Hold your breath.
Bloop, 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 bloop. Wow, this is magic.
Let's get rid of that. Much better.
Wow.
Ha! I have an idea. Glitter is always a good choice.
How do I look?
Not as I expected. Oopsie.
Hey! I didn't sign up for this!
But… oh no. It's no biggie.
Wait!
Don't worry.
Phew!
Never again. Okay, I got the right one here. Here comes the makeup dust.
This is the most glamorous version of me, like, ever!
We did it! A golden transformation! But we're not even close to being done yet.
Whoa!
To the salon! Let me take a closer look at your hair.
So dry.
And definitely the wrong color. How about…
No!
this looks wrong. Maybe.
So 80s.
Nope.
Cruella would be jealous.
Nuh-uh.
Wow.
Purple is your color. I call this shade the Soda Pop Purple. Mwah! Hair, check. We're getting there. Yay!
Huh?
The tail must go.
But how?
Oh, here's the answer to that problem.
I can't.
It might slightly hurt. Didn't think we would need this much. Are you ready?
Nope. Ouch!
Phew, this is gonna take a while. We did what we had to. Now you walk.
Whoa, this feels weird. Hey, don't look!
Don't worry. Now it's time for a fit check for your napalm era.
Wow,
Let's get you into some chic clothes.
I look like Sherlock Holmes. Yikes.
No, this is not her color. Nope. Maybe this?
Wow.
Perfect. I kept the best for last.
I feel like I can take over the entire monster world in this fit.
Yeah, girl. That's the spirit. And with that, we've completed everything. Let's do this. Not so fast. You still need to learn the choreography.
Slower, please. I can't keep up. Ouch. Wait, to the left or right?
Just copy our moves. It's easy. Stop! You're ruining the whole routine. Wait, maybe we should try a new teaching approach. Come on.
Well, this looks fun, to be honest. I will try my best.
You got this.
Left foot back, right foot back. Now I add the hands.
Go, go, go!
I think I'm finally getting it. Yay! I win!
Bravo! I knew you had it in you.
Wow. What's that? Is this really for me?
You're one of us now.
I'm a huntrix. Let's hunt some monsters!
Hold on.
What now?
Your training is not over. Catch! Time to test your sword skills.
All those years of playing Fruit Ninja weren't for nothing. Phew!
Impressive. Truly. She's ready. We officially welcome you to the team.
Thank you!
You're done hiding. Now you're shining.
Like I'm born to be! Haha! The party awaits! Ahem.
Am I supposed to know who you are? I gotta check. No wannabe huntrix allowed.
Huh? What do you mean? But why?
Sing your heart out. We've got your back. Always.
Let's do this.
Shut up and play.
Huh? Okay. Whoa, I like the sound of that.
You came at a bad time. But you just crossed the line. You wanna get wild? Okay, I'll show you wild. Knocking you out like a lullaby. Hear that sound ringing in your mind?
Yeah! Yeah!
Better sit down for the show. 'Cause I'm gonna show you how it's done, done, done.
Huntrix, don't miss.
How it's done, done, done.
And the big applause.
Phew, we were incredible.
Yeah!
Okay, you can go in.
Yes, finally.
Let's party!
Wow, I'm so ready to have some fun after all that.